Competitive analysis is a strategic process of evaluating and understanding the strength and the weakness of the competitors operating within the same industry or market segment. By systematically gathering and analyzing information about rival companies, businesses can gain valuable insight into their competitor strategies, market positioning, and performance metrics. This analysis encompasses various aspects, including product or service, pricing strategies, marketing tactics, distribution channels, and customer feedback. The primary goal of competitive analysis is to identify opportunities and threats posed by competitors, allowing business to make informed decisions to enhance their competitive advantage and mitigate potential risk. So through a structured approach, organization can uncover areas of differentiation, capitalize on marketing gaps, and anticipate shift in consumer preferences or industry trends. Moreover, competitive analysis enables businesses to benchmark their performance against industry peers, identify best practices, and refine their strategic direction to achieve sustainable growth and market success. Ultimately, it serves as a crucial tool for strategic planning, helping businesses to navigate complex competitive landscape and stay ahead in dynamic markets. So before we jump into more about competitive analysis, here is a quick info for you. Become a certified product manager from SP Jain School of Global Management. Gain expertise in AI-powered product management courses, ChatGPT and Google Bard, top product tools within 100% interactive live session led by industry expert and SP Jain's top faculties. This professional product management course by SP Jain School of Global Management prepares you to become a product manager via an exhaustive curriculum covering all aspects of product management. This program focuses on the latest industry trends, advancement, and related industry application taught by top product experts via live session. This SP Jain's academic excellence and product expertise from experts from companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and many others. So don't forget to check out the course link in the description box below and the pinned comment. So now let's get started.
First, we will see steps to achieve competitive analysis, and later on we will understand with the example using these steps. 1. Identify competitors. Make a list of companies that operate in the same industry or offer similar product services as your business. 2. Gather information. Collect data on your competitors' product services, pricing strategies, target markets, distribution channels, marketing tactics, and financial performance. Utilize sources like their websites, social media profiles, press releases, and industry reports. 3. Analyze product services. Compare the features, quality, pricing, and unique selling propositions as of your offerings with those of your competitors. Identify any gaps or areas where your competitors excel. 4. Assess market positioning. Determine how competitors position themselves in the market and their brand image. Analyze their marketing messages, value propositions, and target audience to understand their competitive advantage. 5. Evaluate marketing strategies. Examine competitors' marketing channels, campaigns, content strategies, and engagement tactics. Assess their online presence, SEO strategies, advertising efforts, and social media activity. 6. Study customer feedback. Look for customer reviews, testimonials, and feedback on competitors' products or services. Identify common complaints, pain points, and areas for improvement. 7. Examine pricing strategies. Compare pricing models, discounts, promotions, and pricing tiers of competitors. Determine how their pricing strategy affects market positioning and customer perception. 8. SWOT analysis. Summarize your findings by conducting a SWOT strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats analysis for each competitor. Identify opportunities to differentiate your offerings and mitigate potential threats. Now, let's see a real-life example of competitive analysis in the technology sector. Example. Let's consider a competitive analysis of two major players in the streaming media industry, Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. 1. Identify competitors. Netflix and Amazon Prime Video are direct competitors offering subscription-based streaming services. 2. Gather information. Research each company's content library, pricing plans, subscriber base, original content production, and global expansion efforts. 3. Analyze product services. Compare the user interfaces, streaming quality, device compatibility, and exclusive content offerings of Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. 4. Assess market positioning. examine how Netflix positions itself as a leading provider of original content and binge-worthy series, while Amazon Prime Video leverages its Prime membership program and integration with other Amazon services. 5. Evaluate marketing strategies. Analyze their marketing campaigns, social media presence, partnerships with content creators, and promotional offers. 6. Study customer feedback. Look for customer reviews, ratings, and surveys to gauge user satisfaction and preferences regarding the content selection, streaming experience, and customer service. 7. Examine pricing strategies. Compare the subscription plans, pricing tiers, free trial periods, and bundling options offered by Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. 8. SWOT analysis. Conduct a SWOT analysis for each platform, highlighting their strengths, e.g., original content production, brand recognition, weaknesses, e.g., content licensing costs, regional restrictions, opportunities, e.g., international expansion, partnerships with content creators, and threats, e.g., competition from other streaming services, piracy. By conducting a thorough competitive analysis, both Netflix and Amazon Prime Video can identify areas for improvement, capitalize on market opportunities, and maintain their positions as leading players in the streaming media industry. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing, or programs, and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.